Hi guys! So, bali mag-grow a garden tayo. Wow! May ganito na! Scar merchant. Uy, night stuff ulit. Mutation spray. The first time ko mag-mutation spray! For the first time. Tignan natin kung ano ang mga stocks. Lagyan natin ng mutation ang aking Ember Lily. Ember Lily. Okay. 2 hours pa din. 1 hours na lang. Punta tayo sa this is my Nasaan na ba yun? Okay. Ang favorite ng aking burning bag. Okay. So, sana lumaki na ang aking isang bag. Ito na. Ganun pa din. Wala na, hindi na. Patapin. Pumili. Larina Cappuccina. Walang star power. Cloud touch lang. 2 minutes. Dito tayo sa gear shop. Kakakuha tayo ng towel, basic. Uy, a godly. May friendship pot. May first time ko magka-friendship pot. Ito yung friendship pot. Wala. Okay guys, so this is my friendship pot. Wala pa akong pwedeng maging ka-friendship pot kasi wala pa akong friends. Joke lang. Okay guys, by the way, this is my Roblox. It's my Roblox account. And I will give you burning blood if you join. Okay guys. So medyo unti-unti.
Nakatambak na to dito, di mo tinatry.
Na-charge mo na yan. Okay, wait. Ang tagal. You can ask the flowers. Tubat pa ako. Malabina cappuccino. Brit, patapin. Brit, patapin. Sana pwede na sa... Okay. So, I will tour you guys to my garden. So, here, I have 4 lights. And here, I have zen egg and bug egg. Uy! Lapit na. And here, I have design. And here I have pumpkin, chocolate, and chill mutation, frozen mutation, wet mutation. And ito, pepper, tsaka ito, burning bud, pink na malaki. And tawag dito, beanstalk, tsaka mango, tsaka coconut, tsaka mushrooms, tsaka ito bamboos. Punta tayo sa burning bud. Let's go to my burning bud. Hindi ako makaakyat. Okay, this is my burning bud. 21 million agad. This is my first ever burning bud. Kukumpletuhin ko pa yung mutation nito bago ko siya pitasin or i-harvest. And sa inventory ko, sa mga seeds, is mayroon ako ditong apple, watermelon, giant pine fruit, cacao, beanstalk, fruit, ball, burning bud, carrot, bamboo, coconut, yun lang. Tsaka mushroom, sugar apple, dragon fruit, tsaka mango, tsaka blueberry. Dito naman, yung burning bud, tsaka chill burning bud. Ito naman, sa mga galing sa gear shop ko, meron akong godly, medium pet toy, advanced sprinkler, tanning mirror, master sprinkler, shovel, mutation spray, night stuff, watering can, basic, star color, tsaka favorite tool, tsaka magnifying glass, tsaka tsaka troll, tsaka pressing pot. Isa. Oo nga. Mamaya, ikaw. Okay guys, I have Scarlet Macao, Bunny. Hindi pa lang tawag dito. Hindi pa din alam tawag dyan. Basta madami akong mga ganyan. Hatch na natin yung Zen egg ko! Hatch it. 4 hours pa to. Okay guys, bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. See you. See you on my next vlog or gaming vlog. Bye bye.